Today, I'm going to be talking about how to blend in a line of demarcation, and I'm going to be utilizing my thinning shear as well as my regular shears. A lot of times, and this video is really targeted towards professionals if you're cutting hair as a career, a lot of times people may create a kind of a step into here when they're using clippers. You can visually see the step, and I'll back this out even a little bit more. You can see the step right in through here, or a line, and they think just by using thinning shears that that's what you should be doing. When in my experience, for doing this for over 30 years and working on thousands of clients, I always say blend everything as best as you possibly can with the shears first, instead of thinking that a thinning shear is just going to take out some line. Because what's happening is a lot of times a line is created from length, and the length on top of that, it's weight, it's laying over it. So the length is too long sitting on top of that line. So what needs to happen is this needs to happen. The length right on top of that line right there that's not blended, it actually needs to be blended, right? And then the thinning shears, in my experience, so now that's blended nicely. The thinning shear, and I'm just focusing really on this one area, like right here, okay? The thinning shear is